Rachel and welcome to a craft video. Today we are going to be making some fingerprint bugs that look a little bit like this. Can't wait to get started.
All right, welcome to my workspace. So this is a really easy craft to do when you're stuck at home because you only need a few things. So what I have is I have a piece of paper, I have 4 different colored paints. You can do as many different colors as you want to. And I have a fine tipped pen here that's a little bit more marker-like, just so it's a little stronger. And what I'm gonna start doing is I'm just going to make sure my canvas is clear, and then I'm going to dip my finger in, let's start with red. I'm gonna start by making a ladybug. So I'm going to just put it on the paper, and because I want my ladybug to be a little bigger, I'm gonna swirl it around like that. But you can really do any sort of bug. You can make different color bodies, different shape bodies with your different colors. So next I'm going to do a caterpillar. So I'm gonna start with my green here, and I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna take a little bit more from here because I did a lot, 4 for the body, and then I'm gonna go back into my red and do a little head, and that's my caterpillar. I'll actually do 1 more for the body. And then you can just keep doing this with different types of bugs. And I don't like to wash my hands in between, so I just use different fingers. I can also switch to my other hand. And I'll do a dragonfly next. I'll do 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna take yellow for the head. Just like this. And then later I'm gonna go back in and draw details with the wings. Now I'm gonna do a bumblebee. So I'm just making a big yellow body. I think I'll do another ladybug. They can be friends. And then I'll take yellow. I'll do another bee too for good measure. Another bug I want to do is ants, so I'm gonna do blue. And then I'm gonna do a butterfly, so I'll do green for the butterfly, sort of match the caterpillar.
And then here I'm just going to do a few more little flying bugs. They don't have to be super specific yet. For now I'm just going to do bodies and then later figure out exactly what I want them to be.
And just do as many as you want to until you feel like you have a good number of bugs.
And that is the first part of my bug fingerprint painting, so I'm gonna go wash my hands and I will be right back once my paint dries.
All right, well now that my paint is dry, I can take my pen and I can start drawing faces, legs, antennae, anything that you think should go on the bug so that they can start to look like bugs. So I'm gonna start with my ants, and I'm gonna do some antennae, and then I'm going to draw little faces, and then 6 legs for my ants. So I'm just gonna do that. And then if you want to, you don't have to do this, but if you want to, you can sort of label what you're drawing and write the names of the different bugs. That's just an added challenge. And like, I like to decorate mine a little, so I'll do little dots on the ends of the letters. Over here, I'm gonna actually go to this one first because I think it's a little more dry. But I'm going to do a body like that, some antennae, and then a little face on my butterfly, and then I'm gonna label it. And I think for this one, instead of doing the dots, I'm gonna do a little underline. And then for my caterpillar, I'm just gonna do and then some antenna as well. If you see, I'm getting some paint on me, so I just have to be careful that I don't get it on anything it's not supposed to be on. So I'm just gonna rub that off for now. Then for this one, I don't have a specific bug in mind, so I'm just going to do little face, some antenna, and some wings. And this will just be a fly. I'll just make a little pretty Y like that. And then I can write out my caterpillar here. And I'll do straight across for that. And then moving on, I know I wanted these to be ladybugs, so I'm gonna go in and then for my writing, I'll just do a little bit of curve, a little heart, and then I'm gonna do another fly down here. And then I think I'll make this one into a roly-poly, so I'm just gonna do a lot of little stripes. And then a little, oh no, got a little paint on my pen. Smile. And some legs. And I'll just write roly-poly. And then I will take it to my dragonfly. Back up because I need to do my little bumblebees. I'm just gonna do some stripes, little stinger, some wings, and a little face. And once more down here. And then I think up here, I'm just gonna do a few more flying bugs. Maybe this time they'll be flying the other way. Just to make it consistent. And there you go.
Well, thank you so much for following along on this crafting video with me. Here's our final product, and I'm sure you all made such incredible, amazing, creative art yourselves, and I hope you had as much fun making this craft as I did. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye!